Hi, I'm Laura, aka Five Little Doves.
Hi, I'm Gaz.
Hi, I'm Megan.
And today we're here to show you how to do an extraterrestrial alien look for Halloween with Superdrug. We love Halloween in our house. We always celebrate, don't we?
Yeah.
And what's your favourite thing?
Dressing up.
The great thing about this look is that you can build the alien skin wherever you want. On Gaz, I'm going to take it down half of his face. So I'm going to start with a blue colour, the Revlon Colorstay Crème eyeshadow in Peacock blue, and I'm going to just start blending that down the cheekbone and around the eye area. So as you can see, I finished the blue on Gaz, and now on Megan I'm going to focus on the eye area. Does it tickle in?
Mm-hmm.
So now we've done that, we're going to have a bit more fun and add some colour with the Colorstay in Merlot. I'm going to just apply that around the blue I've already done. I'm going to use the same Merlot on Gaz, and I'm going to just apply that around the temple area above the blue. The great thing about this look is that you can put as much or as little on as you want. There's no exact science. So it's really simple to do and it's really effective. Next it's time to add the alien shine, and for that we'll use the silver shade in the 16-hour Revlon Colorstay eyeshadow palette. I'm going to just apply that around the colours we've already built. Do you want to help me do that, Megs?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go on then. Look at that shine.
Ooh.
Does that look good?
Mm-hmm.
And for Megan, I'm going to use the same silver to highlight the blue and take it above the brow and just across the forehead. To finish Gaz's look, we're going to add a silvery shine to his hair using Superdrug dry shampoo. Do you want to help me with it, Megan?
Yeah.
Look at that! Well done! So there you have it, that's our finished alien look.
Let's go get changed.
So here's the final alien look. What do you guys think of your costumes?
I really like my sparkly costume and these.
They're funny, aren't they? What do you think, Gaz?
I think it looks out of this world.
To achieve more of a pop with the Revlon Colorstay Endless Glow, you can use a wet sponge and just dab on top of where you've done the silver.
Thanks so much for watching.
For more videos like this, subscribe to the Superdrug YouTube channel.
Happy Halloween.